So here we are. I got the power probe hooked up. We got our brand new solenoid right here. This is the exhaust side, which we're having a code for. So what I'm going to do is I unplug it, as you can see. I'm going to manually actuate it while the car is running. This is just to make sure that the VVT sprocket is working properly. So I'm over here on the other side here. You see, I got circuit is good. As soon as I actuate it, press on it. There you go, the car is dead. Which means that I can advance the timing, right, or retard the timing when I actuate it, which means that the sprocket should be working. The VVT sprocket is working properly. You know, that gear is working properly. It's not stuck. All right, this is proof of that. So what we may be facing at this point, I have to tear into this thing to make sure that the chain is not loose, or maybe it is not being commanded on. So I got to check the integrity from this right here all the way to the computer, and I need either a flow chart or a diagram so I can locate those pins. So that's where we are right now.